Welcome to Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnampuram, School with a Difference. Making students socially relevant and an asset to the world, that's what the aim of education should be. We at Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnampuram realize this and believe that combining education with creativity leads to better results and at the same time drives children to become resourceful in the future. In our saga of imparting knowledge that's nearing 40 decades, our visionary leader, Puji Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda's doctrine of instilling values in children along with propagating knowledge has aided us tremendously. We offer our kids a never before experienced learning experience coupled with life skills aimed at enhancing their emotional, intellectual, and physical well-being. Apart from providing high-quality infrastructure with complete amenities, eminent teaching system and support system, and more importantly, a very friendly and feel-at-home atmosphere, the incorporation of the Chinmaya Vision program envisaged by Gurudev for the holistic development of students makes our school the perfect destination for your child's journey to success. Keep smiling. That's our motto. With Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnampuram, you can guarantee your child quality learning experience and ensure that he or she indeed keeps smiling. On to some feedback from our parents.
Hari Om all of you. My name is Vineet Balakrishnan. I am father of Avantika Vineet, who just completed her UKG in Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnampuram. Now, why we actually chose Chinmaya Vidyalaya is because we always wanted our kids to grow with good education, discipline, and spiritually as well. And Chinmaya Vidyalaya was one of the best options in Trivandrum, in fact, for us. And when we went and visited the school, the facilities what they have for the education as well as for extracurricular activities was really impressive. Now, to say about the management of Chinmaya Vidyalaya as well, when the pandemic situation happened, I would say they handled the situation really well with online classes, introducing new technologies to get the children more attracted to online classes, etc. And my special thanks to Manju teacher as well as Gada teacher. That's all for the time. Let's hope, let's all pray let's the pandemic situation comes to an end, and let's the kids get back to schools.
Hari Om teachers!
I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the teachers and staff of Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnampuram for the exemplary conduction of the online classes for the academic year 2020-21. We all know it is very difficult to teach small children outside the classroom, but the classes were conducted in a really well organized and disciplined manner so that the children really felt like being inside a real classroom in spite of being inside a virtual classroom. This is indeed the result of the sincere hard work by the teachers, which needs to be honored and appreciated. So I once again thank all the teachers and staff for giving so much of support to our kids.
Thank you, teachers!
Hari Om. Hi everyone, hope all of you are safe. Myself Lakshmi, parent of Premit Thambi, who is studying in Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnampuram UKG Senior Rose. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnampuram principal, vice principal and all teachers for providing a very friendly and soothing environment through online learning. During these pandemic situations, many schools and colleges are facing many problems. By the meantime, Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kunnampuram prepared their curriculum in such a way that they are not only they are teaching their students within the syllabus, they also provide time for extracurricular activities. First of all, a big thanks to our Manju teacher and Gada teacher for making our kids a wonderful flower. Because as a parent, we are very much tensed how these budding blossom will learn how to read and learn reading and writing through this e-learning. But by the end of this year, we as a parent are very much happy to say that our kids learns how to read and write So very much thanks to Manju teacher and Gada teacher, and also they are very much excited to do their activities because the teachers are putting these activities as status, and so they are very much excited to do their activities. And thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.
Hari Om. Hi all. Today I would like to share my experience about the online classes. My kid is studying in Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kundumpuram. He is in LKG class. During this pandemic time, Chinmaya Vidyalaya has taken a great initiative by providing education online. My kid is a late talker, so I was so anxious how this online class will work out for him. But today I am very happy. He got a very good bonding with the teachers. The teachers are very helpful and supportive. The video sent by the teacher is really amazing. Each and every class is just wonderful. It shows how much hard work has been put by the teacher. Every morning this session starts by meditation. Then it goes by prayer, Gita chanting, then syllabus. So it's very important that moral values should be taught to each and every children. Chinmaya Vidyalaya is always focused on moral values. In every class, teacher always teach them how important is honesty, loyalty, how to respect parents, how to respect elders, what is a mother, how you should behave with your mother. And really I am very happy. I got my kids admission in Chinmaya Vidyalaya. I want to thank everyone from the bottom of my heart for the support at this pandemic time. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay home.
Good evening. I am Princy, mother of Kalyani Ajit, studying in UKG at Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kundumpuram. First of all, I thank all the teachers and management of Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kundumpuram for facilitating online classes during this pandemic situation. We know taking online classes are not easy like offline classes. Even though the teachers took classes wonderfully, and we are very satisfied, especially our kid is very much satisfied with your classes, and we are expecting the same quality of education in the coming academic year. Thank you very much.
Hari Om. I am Lakshmi, mother of Arpita, studying in LKG Rose of Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kundumpuram. When thought about schooling my child, we didn't choose any other than Chinmaya, as I was former student of this Vidyalaya, and I am sure about the positive learning environment which gives each child an opportunity to develop in the spiritual, cultural, moral and social aspects of life. Even in this pandemic, the school supported the children in the best possible way by having regular online classes, engaging children with regular activities and individual assessments. Teachers were very supportive and they took a great effort to make good rapport with the students. Moreover, the children were encouraged to participate in the kids' online festivals, spiritual programs like Madhur Puja, and also they were informed regarding the purpose of each and every festivals and celebrations. I take this opportunity to thank the principal and teachers of Chinmaya Vidyalaya Kundumpuram for your love and care to our children. Hari Om.